Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to become a Neo4j certified professional. This is 100% free, so we'll go through the step-by-step process. So become a certified Neo4j professional. This is 100% free. Want to learn graph databases and earn a official certification for free? Start your journey with Neo4j GraphAcademy and master one of the most powerful modern database technology used by the top companies worldwide. So what is the Neo4j? Neo4j is the leading graph database platform that store data on the nodes relationship instead of the traditional table. It's helped developer analyze the connect data faster and more efficiently using the graph-based queries. So why graph database matter? Traditional database struggle with the high connected data. Neo4j make it easy to exploit relationship between the people, product, system, transactions, and more in real time. Popular use cases of Neo4j. So we'll go for the fraud detection, recommendation engineers, social networks, knowledge graphs, network and IT operations, supply chain management, cyber security, and AI and machine learning applications. So benefits of learning Neo4j: faster relationship-based queries, easy visualization of connected data, high performance of the complex dataset, in-demand skill to modern developers, used by the enterprise worldwide, and great additional to your backend and data engineering skill set. What you will learn on this video, this Neo4j certification: graph database fundamental, node relationship and properties, Cypher query language, data modeling, data query optimization, real world graph application. So certifications highlights is their official Neo4j certification. This is the beginner friendly, self-paced learning, industry recognized credential, practical hands-on learning, and this is 100% free. So perfect for the software engineer, backend engineer, data engineers, data scientist, student and beginners, and database professionals. So start your learning from here and get certified now. So this is the URL I'll provide you on the description. So accept cookies. This is a Neo4j certified professional 1 hour and certification is there. So prove your Neo4j credential with a certification from Neo. Sign in or register to take a exam. So all the details you will get. So prerequisite sites are there: Neo4j fundamental, Cypher fundamental, graph data modeling fundamental, importing data fundamental, intermediate, Cypher queries, and using Neo4j with Python. So get your certification now. Your perfect time to show your employer, customer, and colleagues that you are Neo4j expert. What Neo4j certified professional exam you certified with the existing experience and skill. This exam limited to a 1 hour and require a scoring 80% or higher to pass. So other details are there. So now we'll go through the sign in or registration to take exam. So click here. So here you can go with the login or you can go with the sign up if you are going through the first time, and you can sign up with the Google and GitHub and Microsoft as per your you have account, or you can go through the sign up also. Here you can also options to sign up with the Google and other. So I'm going through the Google. So let me get one email address. So provide your email address and password. Let me give the access. So now let me go through the URL again. So Neo4j certified professional, there is an option prove your Neo4j credential with the accelerated. This is certification from Neo4j. So click on the tech exam. Are you ready to become Neo4j certified? So other details are there. So hands-on question and graph schema, people, actors and director, movie. So all the details are there. You can run this. There is a lab. You can run the query there. And ready to begin. There is a click on start exam. So exam is started. There is a 60 minutes and 80 questions are there. You have to get 80%. So there is a give the submit the answer. It will go give you the next by next. So there is a total questions of 80. So you have to pass this one. After completing this exam, you will become a Neo4j certified professional. So course completed by your name will come and prove your Neo4j credential and other detail. There is a certification ID, issue date, and where you are getting this certification. So all the details I have shown you the step-by-step process. So in this video, we have learned how to become 100% free Neo4j certified professional. So disclaimer is that all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the educational and informational purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment box. I will reply personally. Subscribe for free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.